Hi, welcome to Mosmatic. What I want to do today is kind of explain what is the advantage of having a live gun swivel from Mosmatic. We have customers that tell us they don't need one because they use a quick coupler. So in this example, you can see we have a quick coupler and it does allow you rotation. However, under pressure, right now we're at 3000 PSI, you can see your hose is nothing more than a flexible pipe. It doesn't offer that twist value. So all this is not only going to be extra wear and tear on your couplers, your O-rings, but it's going to be a lot of wrist fatigue and excessive wear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a drag out, and then I'm going to put on a gun swivel and show you the benefits of using a live Mosmatic gun swivel under the same amount of pressure.
In the top left video, you can see a hose using only a coupling, versus the video on the bottom right, which shows the Mosmatic DGV Swivel in action. Notice the ease of use with a live swivel compared to using only your coupling.
So now what I've done is I've gone and installed a live gun swivel from Mosmatic. Brought it back up to 3000 PSI, and as you can see, even under pressure, effortless performance and rotation. What that's going to do is that's going to equate to less wear and tear on your componentry, but more importantly, it's going to make life easier on you.